All right, let's click on Profile and then go to Settings. Inside this modal, click on Connectors. As you can see right at the top, we have Gmail, Google Drive, and Slack that we can connect. And if you click on the Add button, you can browse through hundreds of other connectors that Claude supports. But for this example, let's connect Gmail. Click on Connect and Claude will ask you to connect your Gmail account. Select your Google account, give it the required permissions, and that's it. Gmail is now connected to Claude. Now comes the interesting part. You can actually ask Claude questions about your Gmail inbox. For example, I'm going to ask Claude to list the important emails from my inbox. As you can see, it's now searching through my emails. And there we go. Claude gives us a detailed response showing which emails are important and what they're about. So now that Gmail is connected, you can ask Claude to find important emails, summarize your inbox, or even help you write emails. And you can take this even further by using these connectors for automations, like getting a daily summary of your important emails without having to manually go through your inbox every day.